Hello mga ka-farmers! Thank you so much for always watching my vlog. Just actually this week, hindi po tayo nakapag-upload ng video kasi po dito sa Eastern Samar, nagtatag-ulan na, which is good po para sa mga farmers na magtanim po ng mga gulay or root crops para po talaga tumubo agad. Kaya po, yun po ang rason kung hindi po ako nakapag-upload. To this episode naman po, i-share ko po sa inyo yung mga alternatibong patuka sa ating heritage chicken kasi isa sa mga napansin po ni Alex Farmers, ito yung mga manok na to is hindi sila masilan. Kumakain po sila ng gulay at saka prutas. Even actually kamuting kahoy. Harvest tayo ng papaya.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Ngayon kukuha naman tayo ng mais. Ito yung mga luma na in-intercrop namin sa kamuting kahoy na hinayaan na lang namin.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. And that shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that?
Okay na to. Ito yung mga alternatibo nating ipapakain sa mga manok.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face in the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple miles run around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
Mabantay. Pag ikaw ay nag-aalaga ng mga hayop, sabayan nyo na po ng pagtatanim. Or kung ikaw ay nagtatanim, sabayan nyo na po ng pag-aalaga para makatipid tayo or maging economical ang lahat ng gastusin sa bukid. I'm a former OFW, now a full-time farmers. Salamat po sa patuloy nyo pong pagsusuporta at panunood po sa aking vlogs. Have a wonderful day.